your feet. The cloth rubs on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing. Shout to me what they made you out to be. Burst the glass and start to scream, so I can shout with you. Cry to me with a star raised to see creeks of pain and apathy, so I can cry with you. Oh, the gravel spikes your feet.